For Sprint 4, I do create or do work on the CRUD commands in which I create a client or an order. I also work on deleting, whether you want to delete the client or do you want to delete the order that you just made. So if also you wanted to update or edit um, any information regarding the client, that's also done through here. Um, I work on this, and so here's where I mentioned I create the client and make sure everything's valid. This also, I also um, make sure that that all the information required um, is valid here, and then you get redirected to home once it's all saved, as well as the same thing for updating a client. Um, and when you delete a client, if you are, I will talk more about this later on, but if you are not uh, a registered user, then you are not able to do so. And this is where in the next sprint I end up finishing this, but I work on updating the clients and the orders. I also work on like redirecting any of these edits that are made. So in the URLs, I do write the paths for when you create a client, update a client, delete a client. Same thing for the orders. You are redirected to whatever you need. So if you're gonna edit a client, you're redirected to updating the client path, and this is where the function is invoked to update a client, and then eventually it's saved. Same thing happens for when you delete the client. If you decide to delete the client, you are directed to it follows the path to the views in where you delete the client and invoke that function. And again, it happens the same thing for the order. When you want to create, update, or delete an order, same thing happens. And when I work on deleting, I make sure to if you are sure that you want to delete anything, and if you do, then you just hit confirm or submit, and if not, then you just hit the backspace button on the site